making money online by selling a digital product with $0 budget. After 7 days, here's exactly how much I made. Hey everyone, welcome to Digital Income Lab. On this channel, I test different ways to make money online every week. From affiliate marketing to YouTube automation to selling digital products. Today, I'll show you my 7-day experiment selling a digital product and the real result. First, I had to decide which digital product to sell. I chose an ebook about how to start reselling. It's beginner friendly, easy to deliver digitally, and in high demand. Now let's dive into the full details of how I found this ebook and everything else. And for this step, I'm going to use ChatGPT and Canva to create my ebook completely from scratch. Pro tip, make your product clear, simple, and valuable. Most beginners fail because their product isn't attractive. Next step, guys, we're going to build a landing page using AI to list our ebook so we can start selling it. A landing page is basically a simple website that shows all the details about the ebook, what it's about, what you'll learn, proof, and everything someone needs before buying. Make sure you watch until the end because I'm going to show you exactly how I build this landing page using AI. To create the landing page, we first need a good prompt to give to the AI so it can generate the page for us. The AI I'll be using in this video is Lovable. Now that ChatGPT has given us the prompt, we're going to go to Lovable to build our landing page. As you can see, you just need to create an account on Lovable and then paste the prompt that ChatGPT generated for us. Now the Lovable AI is doing the hard part, and all we have to do is wait for it to finish the job. And here we go. As you can see, our landing page is now ready. Quick note, if you want to modify anything on the website, you can simply write your request in the prompt section and the AI will update it for you. Now, before we publish our landing page, we need to make one quick but very important fix. Right now, the buy buttons, which are the call to action buttons, get instant access now and start my reselling business now, are just buttons. But we need them to actually work. When someone clicks on them, we want them to be redirected to a payment page where they can buy the ebook. Once they complete the payment, they should receive the ebook automatically, and of course, we receive the money. So this step is very important because it connects our landing page to the payment system. I want you to pay close attention here because I'm going to show you exactly how to set this up step by step so everything works perfectly. So for this step, we're going to use PayPal to create a payment button that will allow us to receive the money and automatically deliver the PDF ebook to the customer. First, go to the PayPal website and create an account if you don't already have one. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the section where you can create a payment button. Now just follow the steps I'm showing you on the screen. It's actually very simple to set up. Once we create our payment link, the next step is to add that link to the buy buttons on our landing page. So follow along as I connect the payment link to the buttons on the website, and just like that, everything is now working. As you can see, when a user clicks the button, they can pay either with a credit card or PayPal, receive the PDF ebook, and we receive the payment automatically. This makes the whole process simple and fully automated. Now we have one more important step before we start running ads, and that's designing some good images for our advertisers. These images will be used for our Facebook and Instagram ads, so they need to look attractive and professional to catch people's attention. To create these images quickly and easily, we're going to use Grok AI. With Grok, we can generate high quality ad images in just a few seconds by simply giving it a good prompt. So in this next step, I'm going to show you exactly how to create these ad images using Grok so we can use them for our ad. Now for the last step, how to get traffic and sales for our ebook. For this part, we're going to use Facebook and Instagram ads to drive people to our landing page. So make sure you follow along carefully and watch the steps I'm going to show you. But before we start, here's a quick and important note. You will need to create a Facebook page in order to run ads. If you don't know how to do that yet, I recommend watching a few tutorials on YouTube. And if you want, let me know in the comments and I can make another video showing you exactly how to create a Facebook page and set it up for ads. Now let's move to Facebook Ads Manager and start setting up our ad campaign. Now guys, as you can see, we've completed all the steps. We created our PDF ebook, built our landing page, connected the payment system, and finally launched our ads. Now the only thing left to do is wait and see the results. In about 7 days, I'll come back with another video where I'll show you the full result, how much we spent on ads, how many clicks we got, and most importantly, whether we made any sales or not. I'll be completely transparent and show you everything, whether it's profit or zero sales. And if you want to see my next experiment, comment below and tell me which side hustle I should try next. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon because every week I test a new online money method and show you the real result.